Students, welcome to the Fonseca classes Mafi. I am Apple Mahmood Khan. Today, I will going to discuss quadratic equation of class 10 mathematics, and I will solve problems from exercise 4.2, question number 1, 2. 1, 2. See, here is a problem. There is a quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Again, I would like to remind you, I have already discussed in previous class what is quadratic equation, how to obtain a solution of a quadratic equation. Now I will apply that methodology to solve this, to obtain the solution of this x square minus 10x equal to 0 quadratic equation. I hope this will help you. See, x square minus 10x minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. This quadratic equation can be solved by using quadratic formula and using factorization methods. Another method, that is perfect squaring, you can apply that method also to solve this x square minus 10x is equal to 0 quadratic equation. But today I am going to use factorization methods to obtain the solution of this equation. Here x square minus students, I hope you know the factorization. What is factorization? To factorize first term, you have to multiply the first term and the last term, and the middle term will be split into two factors, which multiplication of the two numbers will equal to the multiplication of first number and the last number, and addition or subtraction will be remain same. Then I will use minus 10 into x square is equal to minus 10 x square. Here minus thrice x. Here is the middle term is minus thrice x. Minus thrice x should be split up into the two different numbers, that is minus 5x plus twice x. Students, see, multiplication of minus 5x and plus twice x will be minus 10x, and addition of minus 5x plus twice x is equal to minus thrice x. It is remain minus thrice x. Adding these two and multiplied by minus 5x by twice x, it is minus 10x square. So the factors are minus 5x and plus twice x. Minus 5x plus twice x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now taking common x from these two, x square minus 5x, x minus 5. Similarly, taking 2 from these two, twice x, and minus 5 minus 10, you will have here x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, x minus 2, you have to common take x minus 2 from these two factors, x minus 2 not x minus 5 remain x, and here remain plus 2 is equal to 0. The solution of this quadratic equation will be the solution of x, for which the multiplication of x minus 5 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? So therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5, or x is equal to minus 2. These are the required solution of this quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you will able to solve any type of quadratic equation using factorization methods like this, and try it at home, and you can take screenshot from this if you want to take. Okay, Students, here is another quadratic equation, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. It is from exercise 4.2, question number 1, 3, NCERT CBSE class 10. Okay, this problem, I will solve this problem by using factorization method. Students, just after the completion of quadratic equation, I will start introduction to the trigonometry of class 10. I hope all students will stay connected with my channels and subscribe my channel so that I can able to provide you or help you in solving trigonometric identities or trigonometric problem, any kind of trigonometric problem. So let's start this quadratic equation. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Students, I have already told you that how to factorize a quadratic equation. First, I will multiply first term and the last term, and then middle term will be split into two different numbers. Addition of that two numbers will be remain same, and multiplication of that two numbers will be the product of first term and the last term. Okay, here root 2x square plus 5 root 2, multiplication of root 2 and 5 root 2 will be 10, and the middle term is 7x. It means factor will be 5 and 2. Factor will be 5 and 2. Root 2x square plus twice x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now, students, you will take root 2x as common. Taking root 2x from root 2x square, it will be x plus from 2 you have already taken root 2, that root 2 will be remain and x will be here, plus take 5 as common from here, it will x, and 5 root 2 you have already taken 5, then it is root 2 is equal to 0. Similarly, x plus 2. Students, another important thing, while you have factorized any kinds of term, remember these two terms must be remain same. If these two terms not remain same, then there will be a problem in your methodology or in your work. Understood? So x plus root 2 and x plus root 2. I will take x plus root 2. X plus root 2 here. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, what will be the solution of this quadratic equation? Solution of this quadratic equation is value of x. Therefore, x plus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. See, x is equal to minus root 2, and you will obtain from here root 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. These are the solution of this quadratic equation. I hope this will help you to solve quadratic equation, and I will arrange for you, for the students of basic as well as the students of standard mathematics of CBSE student, and for the Olympiad mathematics, I will also provide different types of sum of quadratic equation. Okay, so stay connected with my channels and do subscribe my channels so that I can provide you, or I can inform you, or I can give you the knowledge what I know. Okay.